Hi, this is Ethan with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, your U.S. authorized warranty and service center for the Enbio S. Today we are looking at the Enbio S with water leakage. If you're noticing water leaking from the front, what we can check is that there's no debris in the door gasket. We push that tray back and we're going to inspect around and clean the door gasket. We're also going to remove the tray and inspect and clean around where that seal meets. If you are noticing water leaking from the back, what we are going to do, spin the unit around and verify the tubes are fully inserted. There are black marks on both the water inlet tube and the wastewater tube that need to be inserted to those black marks. Once they are in there, give them a little tug. If they do not come out, they should be fully inserted. If you are still noticing water leaking after that, give us a call on our free tech support line, 704-966-1650. Option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.